Chipotle stock CMG is making headlines after a notable pullback sparked by its latest earnings report. The company's Q2 results were mixed. While it delivered strong EPS figures, its lowered same store sales growth target disappointed investors and triggered a wave of analyst downgrades and price target revisions. The community is now sharply divided on what this slump means. On one hand, some investors and analysts argue the dip could be an attractive entry point, especially given Chipotle's premium brand, loyal customer base, and long term growth potential. They point to the company's successful price increases in the past, resilient margins, and strong digital sales as reasons it could bounce back if broader consumer spending holds up. On the other hand, skeptics are raising red flags about slowing traffic trends and rising competition. Fast casual rivals like CAVA, Sweetgreen, and regional upstarts are aggressively expanding, capturing some of the younger demographic Chipotle once dominated. There's also growing concern that higher menu prices may be pushing away price sensitive customers at a time when the broader economy shows signs of consumer fatigue. Valuation is another sticking point in the debate. Even after the drop, Chipotle trades at a premium multiple compared to peers in the restaurant sector. Bulls argue that its brand strength and pricing power justify the valuation. Bears counter that slowing comparable sales growth and a potentially saturated market could make it harder for the company to sustain such a high premium going forward. Overall, the stock's next moves may hinge on whether management can reassure the market that slowing sales are temporary and that new menu innovations, store openings, and marketing spend will reignite growth. For now, traders and long term investors alike are watching closely to see if this dip turns into a rebound opportunity or a sign of tougher times ahead for one of the fast casual sector's biggest success stories.
Okay, so this is the pre-market session of Thursday, the 24th of July. It is down 11.18% into a day low 46.49. Is this a buy? I think on the face of it, it looks like, yeah, it looks like one. It looks like one, you know, just on the face of it all, this is a bit unusual, Um, in any case, this is its 4 hour chart. Let's see. Sideways movement is expected to play out with the bias to the downside. There are no other upper projections. We have no upper projection currently in play, but there are some that might be in play. Let's see. We have 54.8. Okay, 54 current price. Let's see what current price is for. 6.8 is the current price. So yeah, 47.20 is an upper projection. There's an upper projection currently in play. 48.26, 49.99 upper projections. Even for the upper projections, let's get them here. We have 50.60, 51.54, 53.06, 54.83, 55.71, 56.52. Selling pressure is the stock is in severe selling pressure. The price spread there's a very strong selling pressure going on right now. Everything is negative. Everything is negative right now. Is expected to remain that way up till okay. Well, if you like, the selling pressure is expected to remain in place up till the end of tomorrow's trading session, and then by Monday, it might buying pressure may resume. Yeah, buying pressure may resume, but the projection of the price is not anything. Not a spike. It's not projecting a spike. It's just projecting a slight pivot, and momentum will continue to increase from Monday, and then continue to even increase if you like up till Wednesday. So who knows whether this is going to pan out? What could possibly justify that? Is it are market participants going to jump in and buy this deep? Okay, let's have a look at the daily chart is not active at the moment, but we could just have a look at the projections there. Yeah, we could just have a look at the projections. Okay, the projections are saying 52.13, 53.04, 57.06, 58.27. Yeah, we're not, the market is not active, so we're not really going to read a lot of meaning into the extrapolations because they have all changed now. Let's just have a look at the 1 hour chart and see what's being indicated here. Okay, rebound is expected to kick in pretty soon. By now already, but in a few hours, a rebound is expected to kick in. Yeah, I can see buying pressure is expected to start to build from just 30 minutes before the market opens for today's trading session. We have just currently in play 51.80 on the 1 hour chart. Let's see what we have on the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? Okay, we have a sideways, a neutral contraction with an upper projection of 50.27. Momentum is expected to, buying pressures is expected to kick in from towards a few hours into the trading session. That will be around, okay, the post market session, as a matter of fact. Post market session of today, in the post market session of today, the 24th of July, that's when buying pressure is expected to kick in based on the 2 hour chart. Let's see what we have on the 3 hour chart. Yeah, a neutral contraction expected to remain in place, and then uptrend will resume maybe sometime around Monday, the 28th of July. So weakness is expected to remain in place. Selling pressure is expected to remain in place, and then buying pressure will kick in by the post market session of tomorrow. You know, so no guarantee that that will be the case. No guarantee at all that these extrapolations will be the case at all. Okay, so let's see what's going on with the other books. It doesn't look that active. It doesn't look that liquid. Doesn't look that liquid. So yeah, there might be a rebound. There might be a rebound. We are looking at a very scanty order book, indicating that it's aggression that is behind this plunge, amongst other things. So that, amongst other things, may provide the grounds to buy this deep. Yeah, let's get a volume so far. Not that it really matters. 107,000. Yeah, not that we really can't conclude a lot by that volume. But I think liquidity is not there at all. Well, it could also mean that the risk of lower prices printing may be there as well, given that aggression is involved. If I apply the market grid now, it's going to indicate that a bounce is expected anytime soon. But let's try and see. Let's try and see. Let's see. Let's apply the market grid and see where things are. Okay, market grid. Okay, yeah. Let's see. It's trading. It's at $46, isn't it? 46.63. So it's trading in between. It's in its support zone. So it could also, yeah, lower prices could still print anyway. Lower prices could still print. We have 45.06 yet lower price, yet a price that can be tested. It has a potential to test. Yeah. Okay. See what you make of CMG stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.